I was inspired by the genealogy search and finding these family members that I never knew. It fulfills a certain it connects a disconnect that occurred because everyone that came to America sort of dispersed all over the country. There's a bunch of them in California, in different parts of California, and a bunch of them came to the Bronx and Brooklyn, and I'm sort of trying to make a web out of something that was very disconnected, and that's what it feels like. I don't want to leave anyone out. If I find a name or of a sibling or a descendant of that sibling, I have to rush to put that person in the story, in the chart, or whatever, because they should not be excluded.